What sets Superior apart from others within our industry is a group of things. Superior is strategically located within an area that can procure high amounts of quality timber. It contains some of the latest and greatest equipment and automation technology for our industry. We have an automatic stick placer at our stacker. We have a vision tally that ensures that our customers are receiving the precise amount of volume that they are quoted. And we have an automatic bander to help ensure that our product maintains integrity within the shipping process. One special aspect about the Superior is that we have a planer within our KD line that allows us to offer surface lumber to our customers.